Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Play Store or browse any browser. So if we open any website, there will be error. And in order to fix this, we'll need to navigate to our settings, scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Now go for the date and time, and here enable set automatically. Now if we go back and open our Google Play Store, the apps should load normally and we can install them without any problem. And the same goes for Google Chrome or any other browser that you're using. If we reload the page, it should load without any problem as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.